What's up, guys? This is Will. Will's Gadgets and More, back with another video. So today we're taking a look at a USB condenser microphone. So this was sent out to me by this company, Avanson. So a big shout out to them for sending this over for a review. You can pick this up on Amazon.com. The price is going to be $59.99. So this is the Avanson USB condenser microphone, metal build, desktop, laptop, recording mic with adjustable boom arm. And this is going to be the model number AM25B. And you can pick this up, like I said, on Amazon.com. I'll drop the link down in the description. So let's take a look at some of the features and details of this microphone. So it's going to feature a 16 millimeter large diaphragm. This is going to help capture more acoustic energy and deliver more engaging and adorable sound. This has a dense gauze woven mesh, consistent cardioid pickup pattern, and dense iron woven mesh isolates unwanted ambient sounds and deliver high quality build. It has an elegant design, leather blasting technique, and metal body deliver rugged, heavy build and elegant texture. Also features a mute button, and this also uses the universal Type-C connection. Also have the 3.5 millimeter TRS connection for easy mounting. Now you can use this for podcast, streaming, recording, and gaming as well. And like I said, I will drop the link in the description if you guys want to pick this up or read up some more about the device. So here's the packaging. Very nice looking packaging here. As you guys see, they got their name up there, AM25 USB condenser microphone, ideal choice for podcasting, home recording, streaming, and so on. USB connection built to last. So not much on the box. I do want to turn it around and let you guys see what's all included here. So you're going to get your USB microphone, you're going to get your boom arm, you're going to get your U-shape mount, windscreen, pop filter, USB cable, user's manual, and this includes a 6-month warranty. And this is where you can either email them or check them out on Facebook and things like that. So I'm going to go ahead and get everything out of the box, and then we'll come right back. Okay guys, so we're back in. This is everything that was in the packaging. Of course, first you're going to have your user's manual here. It's going to tell you everything you need to know about the microphone. It's going to tell you how to hook it up to your Windows laptop if you're going to use it with that, Mac OS, whatever you want to use this microphone with. It's going to give you some instructions, troubleshooting tips, and things of that nature. So you got that in there. You're going to have your wind muff here as well, your USB A to C cable. You're going to have a couple of nuts here. You're going to have your U-shaped bracket. Now this is used to connect it to your desk or table, wherever you're going to put it. You're going to have your pop filter. This is going to be adjustable. And then, of course, you're going to have your boom arm here as well. And then the very nice feeling, high quality feeling microphone here. As you guys see, it's going to have this mesh up here, and this is metal. All of this is metal, it feels like. This is kind of soft feeling here. And on the back, this is the back of it here. And then the bottom of it, you got your Type-C port here, and you also have your 3.5 millimeter headphone jack right there so you can listen to your audio. And then on the front of it, you're going to have your gain control, up and down, or mic volume, and then you got a mute button, and you also have their branding there. So this is pretty hefty feeling, man. Very nice feeling. You can rotate it like this. So let's go ahead and get this thing put together. All right, guys, so first I'm going to go ahead and hook the U-shaped bracket up to the boom arm here. So you just simply slide that on there. You're gonna take this nut, screw nut right here, and just this is how you're gonna lock those two together, right there, just like that. And you can fix it in place. Now you may have to turn it around or whatever. And you're gonna unscrew this, and this is how you're gonna attach it to your desk. And then next, very simple on all this, guys, the pop filter. And I'll show you this, everything hooked up on my desk. You'll take the pop filter and you want to connect it to, trying to keep all this in frame. You're going to connect that to this arm right here. So you got separate arms on your boom arm there. So you just take this, and trying to do this behind camera, keep it in frame and all that, guys. So you're going to position this right on this arm just like this. I'm going to tighten it up first, guys, and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, so if I was doing this off camera, it wouldn't be this difficult, but trying to keep it in frame here. So just going to tighten this up here just like that. And that fixes that to the arm, as you guys see. So here it is, just like that. And then last, you're going to take your mic and you're going to connect it here. So this doesn't have a shock mount on it. So you're going to take this nut that they included as well and screw this on here like that. And then just simply screw your mic to this, just like this. Screw it in, and that's pretty much it, man. You can take that nut with a wrench, or you just screw this all the way down, just like this. And there it is. So just like that. And then you could take your pop filter and put it in front of the mic. Now I'm going to show you all this. I'm going to run a little B-roll right here and show you this whole setup right here. But simple as that. And then if you want to use your wind muff, you can just put it on your mic just like this. Slide it all the way down. And this is the whole setup. Very easy, just that quick, guys. So let's go ahead and get this thing set up. I'm going to show you a little B-roll with it set up on my desk, and then we'll check the mic out. All right, guys, as you guys see, I have the Avanson AM25B microphone plugged into my Samsung Galaxy S8 Ultra. I have it plugged in through a USB-C hub over here. I'm going to go ahead and make a recording using the front-facing camera on the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, and we'll get a chance to see how the microphone. Right now, this is my lapel microphone that I have on from my Canon M50, but after this, we'll be hearing the Avanson AM25 microphone. So let's cut to that. All right, guys, so first, this is the onboard microphones from the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. Let you guys see how this sounds without the Avanson AM25B microphone plugged in. Give you a little comparison how they sound. So next, I'm going to go ahead and plug in this mic, and we're going to check it out. All right, guys, so this is going to be the Avanson AM25B microphone now. As you guys see, I'm sitting maybe close to a foot away from the microphone. This is the sound quality that you're going to get. Get a little bit closer to it, and this is what it's going to sound like. And lean back a little bit farther. This was what you're going to get. Now, you do have your volume controls here. Let's go ahead and see if I can lower this down. Now, you will have to be using a app or some way to record this to see just how low the volume's going or not. On my tablet right now, I can't really tell. One thing I don't like about the microphone, there's no power indicator on here at all. So you're not sure if you're getting power. Let's go ahead and try the mute. Back on. Hopefully I was muted there for a second. And hopefully I'm not muted now. So there's also a way to monitor your audio output as well if you want to use your favorite pair of headphones as well. And the boom arm seems to be strong enough. You can put it wherever you want, and it seems to stay in place very well. So this is without the pop filter going on. This is how it may sound here. Now, I don't have the wind muff on here, so let's go ahead and put that on right quick. let you guys see how it sounds with this on. So this is with the wind muff on it. Bring it a little bit closer. Really don't need that inside. The pop filter should be pretty good. Let's bring the pop filter back down. And so the microphone feels very quality, and hopefully the sound is better too. And like always in post, you can always adjust the sound to get it exactly like you want. But this is straight out of the box. So let's go ahead and finish the video. Okay, guys, so this has been my look at the Avanson AM25B USB condenser microphone. To me, it sounds great, man. I think it sounds better than any of the microphones I've been using on my channel. This kit comes with everything. It's going to come with a very nice, well-built microphone here that looks good, has some great features, volume up and down you control. You have a mute switch, and also you can plug in your favorite headphones to monitor your output as well. You're going to have a boom arm, you're going to have your pop filter, and you're also going to have your windsock, all of that for $59.99. Seems like a great deal to me. So I will drop the link in the description. This is Will of Will's Gadgets and More.